3 by 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 117. 2 by 6 is 12. 1 by 6 is 06. The answer is 126. 1 by 3 is 03. 1 by 3 is 03. The answer is 33. 8 by 8 is 64. 6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 688. 8 by 5 is 40. 2 by 5 is 10. The answer is 410. 2 by 9 is 18. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 198. 9 by 3 is 27. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 276. 9 by 8 is 72. 3 by 8 is 24. The answer is 744. 8 by 5 is 40. 5 by 5 is 25. The answer is 425. 3 by 4 is 12. 4 by 4 is 16. The answer is 136. 9 by 2 is 18. 2 by 2 is 4. The answer is 184. 7 by 8 is 56. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 600. 7 by 2 is 14. 3 by 2 is 6. The answer is 146. 7 by 3 is 21. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 216. 3 by 4 is 12. The answer is 120.